Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to Cel Kirei official channel. Thank you so much to click this video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, so I'm so excited today because today I'm going to make one brand makeup tutorial from China. Brand is Catkin Cosmetics. Okay, this is the final look, so flawless, you can see guys. Okay guys, before I'm going to make a tutorial makeup and review and blah 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 for you, I'm going to tell you about Catkin. Okay, so yeah guys, you can follow the Instagram over here, Catkin Cosmetic, and to get free makeup you can join the weekly giveaway. They are culture free and vegan. Vegan that means the ingredient 100% from the plant, so the means is halal product, and you can get 20% off. Use code Catkin20. To get the original product, you can shop over here, www.catkin.com, and this is their website. You can shopping over here or you can shopping in Shopee. This is their official shop in Shopee, catkinofficialstore.sg. Okay guys, if you're curious how I do this makeup look, okay, make sure stay on watching. And if you're curious how good this product, okay, make sure stay on watching until finish. Okay, we move on to the tutorial. Happy watching. This is my skin condition before I wear makeup. Catkin Morning Dewy Primer. Moisturizing, nourishing, refreshing, long-lasting, and nourishing herbal ingredient. I take little bit only because this is really good face primer. White color like this and the texture like the cream. Absorb, not sticky, and smell flower. I wear focus in my smileline and T-zone area. Catkin Summer Place BB Cushion. So gorgeous packaging, fashionable. Please comment on the comment section below, do you like this packaging? Wow guys, and when I open you can see, wow, the sponge also gorgeous. And direct to apply on my face like this. I will use one side first and you can see how different. Okay guys, this is the before, you can see, and this is the after, so flawless. Finally guys, you can see for BB cushion, this is good favorite. Catkin 6 color correct contour concealer. Okay guys, this is also gorgeous packaging, you can see how pretty. Okay, first I'm going to contour my face using the dark brown color. The contour area of the face are cheekbone, jaw, nose area, and forehead. And I'm going to wear the orange color for my eyes area for hide my dark circle. And now I wear the light brown color as my concealer for my highlighter effect in nose area, forehead, etc. whatever you need. And direct to blend using the sponge like this. And for the other area, just tap using the finger like this. Catkin 3 colors loosing powder. here guys, this is really smooth puff. You can see guys. Okay, I will open and bake my face first. Just I want to mix like this. Big area in under eyes like this, and under cheekbone like this, and the rest in the forehead. Catkin Moonlight Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil. Oh my god, so gorgeous packaging. Okay, we have one refill guys. Okay, the first step, I will brush my eyebrow like this and just fill it. Follow your own eyebrow like this. This is very simple. And little can tidy use concealer. Okay. Catkin Allure 10 color eyeshadow palette. Okay, actually they have three set of this eyeshadow palette, but I choose C01 Fleece Play Emerald. Okay, there are 5 matte color and there are shimmer color, and this color suitable for daily look makeup. You can see guys. And now I'm going to make a natural look only. Okay, the first I will using this color as my transition color. Just apply a whole your eyelid like this. And the second color, I'm going to use this orange color only in the tip like this guys. And after that, don't forget to blend again. Okay, next I'm going to use this color, yeah, like the orange brown like that. Yeah, I mix the both of this color. Okay, only a little bit in the tip eyes like this guys. And blend again guys using the blending brush. Okay, next I'm going to use this one, the shimmer yellow color. Okay, in this area, just using my finger like this. Then after that I will blending again. Ta-da! Done already my eyeshadow look. Catkin Smooth Lasting Liquid Eyeliner. Yeah guys, okay, the packaging like this black color with the design like the Chinese plants, I think. Yeah, so gorgeous guys. Okay, the applicator like this guys, this is really easily to use. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna to make my eyeliner just like this guys, simple only. Catkin Moonlight Feature Full Mascara. Okay guys, you can see the box also gorgeous. I really love this product, this packaging I mean. Okay, let's try this product. Okay, before I put my mascara, I will do like this using the curly lashes for make up my lashes like this, and just do my mascara like this, guys. Actually, this is a really natural. You can see, guys. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to wear this lip balm. Okay, this is Catkin lip balm. This is also gorgeous packaging, guys. You can see, yeah. Wow. And actually, they have 3 shades of this lip balm, but I choose the white color because the yellow and the pink always sold out like that. And you can see this is magnetic packaging. Wow. Okay, guys, here I have shimmer powder here. And I have the blush King Shimmer Pearl Shading Powder. Okay, guys, you can see. Oh my god, I also can't believe. This is Catkin Rosy Blush. They are available in 5 sides, but I have C05, the brown color. This blush include highlighter effect, shimmery powder like that, guys, and this is give you the natural look finish. Okay, guys, let's try on my cheek. Actually, I really love this blush, guys. I really recommended this blush for you. Okay, just remove the big powder. Now I want to try the shimmer powder, guys, on my nose area. Wow, you can see so pretty color, guys. So here I have the lip cream and the lipstick. This is Catkin Summer Place lipstick. Actually, they available in 3 shades color.